A giant returns. The dire wolf's comeback. The dire wolf, a legendary predator of the Ice Age, roamed North America thousands of years ago. Larger than its modern cousin, the gray wolf, the dire wolf, captured the imaginations of many. Sadly, these magnificent creatures vanished from the earth around 12,500 years ago. But now, thanks to the groundbreaking work of Colossal biosciences, the dire wolf is back. This remarkable feat of science marks the first successful de-extinction of an animal species. Colossal Biosciences, a company at the forefront of de-extinction research, announced the birth of 3 dire wolf pups. This news sent ripples of excitement and curiosity throughout the scientific community and beyond. These pups, born in 2024 and 2025, represent a new chapter in our relationship with the natural world. The idea of bringing back extinct species once confined to science fiction is now a reality. The successful de-extinction of the dire wolf opens up a world of possibilities. It allows us to re-examine our understanding of evolution and the delicate balance of ecosystems. The return of the dire wolf could have a profound impact on the environments it once inhabited. This groundbreaking achievement sparks important conversations about the ethics and ecological implications of such scientific advancements. The dire wolf's return is not just a victory for science, but a testament to human ingenuity and our fascination with the past. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is crucial to proceed with caution and responsibility, ensuring the well-being of both the resurrected species and the ecosystems they re-enter. The journey of the dire wolf's de-extinction has just begun, promising a fascinating chapter in the ongoing story of life on Earth. Resurrecting the pack, the science of de-extinction. Bringing back an animal from extinction might sound like magic, but it's actually a complex and fascinating scientific process. To resurrect the dire wolf, Colossal Biosciences employed a combination of cutting-edge technologies, including ancient DNA retrieval, gene editing, and cloning. The first step involved obtaining genetic material from well-preserved dire wolf remains. Scientists meticulously extracted ancient DNA from a 13,000-year-old tooth and a 72,000-year-old skull. This precious DNA served as the blueprint for recreating the extinct species. Next, the scientists compared the dire wolf DNA with that of its closest living relative, the gray wolf. By identifying the genetic differences between the two species, they were able to pinpoint the specific genes responsible for the dire wolf's unique traits. Using powerful gene editing tools, they made precise modifications to the gray wolf genome, essentially rewriting the genetic code to resemble that of the dire wolf. With the edited genome in hand, the next challenge was to create a living animal. Scientists implanted the modified genetic material into donor eggs from surrogate mothers, in this case, large, mixed-breed hound dogs. These surrogate mothers carried the pups to term, giving birth to the first dire wolves to walk the earth in thousands of years. The process, while remarkable, is not without its limitations. The resurrected dire wolves are not perfect replicas of their extinct ancestors, they are technically hybrids, possessing a mix of dire wolf and gray wolf genes. Despite this, they exhibit many of the physical characteristics that distinguish dire wolves from gray wolves, such as their larger size and powerful jaws. Wolves of legend, unveiling the dire wolf's traits. The dire wolf, an icon of the Ice Age, was a creature of formidable size and strength. Imagine a wolf larger than any you've ever seen, with a heavier build and a more massive head. Dire wolves were apex predators, built to take down large prey like bison and horses that roamed North America during the Pleistocene epoch. Their powerful jaws and teeth, even stronger than those of gray wolves, delivered bone-crushing bites that made them fearsome hunters. Their imposing physique, however, wasn't their only distinguishing feature. Dire wolves are believed to have sported a thick coat of fur, likely lighter in color than their modern counterparts. This thick fur provided insulation against the harsh cold of the Ice Age. Their legs were proportionally shorter than those of gray wolves, suggesting they were adapted for strength and endurance rather than speed. While their physical attributes painted an impressive picture, their social structure remains a subject of debate. Some scientists believe that dire wolves, like gray wolves, lived and hunted in packs. This cooperative behavior would have allowed them to bring down even larger prey, solidifying their position at the top of the food chain. Others argue that their social dynamics might have differed from those of gray wolves. The resurrected dire wolves, while not identical replicas, provide a living link to these magnificent creatures. Studying their behavior and genetics will offer invaluable insights into the lives of their extinct ancestors. As we learn more about these resurrected wolves, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the dire wolf's role in the ecosystems of the past. The ethics of resurrection, balancing progress and responsibility. The successful de-extinction of the dire wolf has ignited a global debate about the ethics and ecological implications of bringing back extinct species. While the achievement represents a triumph of scientific innovation, it also raises critical questions about our responsibility towards the natural world. Some argue that the resources poured into de-extinction could be better utilized for conserving currently endangered species and their habitats. Furthermore, concerns have been raised about the welfare of both the resurrected animals and the ecosystems they are introduced into. Critics argue that bringing back extinct species could disrupt existing ecological balances, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. The long-term impact of reintroducing a species that has been absent for thousands of years is still largely unknown. Colossal Biosciences maintains that its de-extinction efforts prioritize animal welfare. The company claims that the resurrected dire wolves are being raised in a safe and controlled environment, with ample space and expert care. They emphasize that their work could have significant conservation benefits, potentially providing valuable genetic diversity to threatened species. Despite these assurances, the ethical debate surrounding de-extinction is far from settled. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is crucial to proceed with caution, transparency, and a deep respect for the delicate web of life on Earth. Ultimately, the success of de-extinction efforts will depend not only on scientific breakthroughs, but also on our ability to navigate the complex ethical and ecological considerations that come with it.